everyone. Can you see my dog Lola? Can you hear her snoring? Do you snore when you go to sleep? I do sometimes. We've just come in from a long walk, so she's a little bit tired. And because she's snoring, it made me remember a story that I have. And the title is Bear Snores On. The person that wrote the words, the author, is Karma Wilson, and the person that drew the pictures, can you remember what their title would be? If you draw the pictures in a book, you're called an illustrator. It's Jane Chapman. She's the illustrator. So let's hear the story called The Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Some animals go to sleep for 3 or 4 months, all through the winter, and that's called hibernation. When you go to sleep for a few months, your body rests and you wait till spring, until there's lots of food about. So the bear is hibernating. Can you think of any other animals that hibernate? Hedgehogs hibernate. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the cold fluff snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights weed twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. 2 glowing eyes sneak peek in a den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. He has no idea what's going on in his cave, does he? A badger scuttles by, sniffs the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cosy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "Oh, what a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Oh, look, there's more and more of them now, keeping nice and cosy and warm. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, have they woken him up? The pepper's made him sneeze, it's tickling his nose. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. I think they could be in a bit of trouble here. You've sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up from a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh look, his friends have all gone to sleep now. But Bear can't go to sleep now, he's woken up. But they did have a nice time together, didn't they? We'll have a nice time together when we see each other again soon. And we might even have a little party. What do you think? Good idea.